Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best tech products for students. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the student tech products in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best tech products for students on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Tribit QuietPlus noise-canceling headphones. If you're looking for a way to block out distracting noise-canceling headphones are a must-have. While the Sony WH-1000XM4 are considered the best of the best, their high price tag may not be feasible for everyone. The Tribit QuietPlus headphones are a great budget-friendly alternative. They may not have the same level of noise cancellation as more expensive options, but they still effectively block out noise when the ANC is turned on. The QuietPlus headphones are also designed to fit over your ears, which is more comfortable for long-term wear and especially for those who wear glasses. And they feature both Bluetooth connectivity and a 3.5mm audio inlet, so you can use them with a variety of devices, even when the battery is low. Number 9. Xiaomi Mi Band 4. If you're looking for an affordable way to stay fit and active while at university, a Xiaomi Mi Band 4 fitness tracker is a great choice. It's a cost-effective alternative to the more expensive Fitbit and offers similar features. The Mi Band tracks your heart rate during workouts and throughout the day, helping you monitor progress and reach your fitness goals. It also uses your heart rate data to track your sleep patterns and monitor the amount of deep sleep you're getting, which is the most important stage for recovery and rejuvenation. Coming at number 8, TECKNET Laptop Cooling Pad. If you prefer to work on your essays from the comfort of your couch or bed, the TECKNET RGB Gaming Cooling Pad is a great accessory to have. It can hold laptops up to 19 inches in width and features 5 inbuilt fans to prevent overheating. The fans are also quieter than those in your laptop, so you won't be replacing one noise with another. Additionally, the cooling pad has 2 USB slots on the back, which can be used to charge other devices or transfer data. The 5 fans on the TECKNET RGB Gaming Cooling Pad run at high speeds, and the fan speed can be adjusted using a dial on the back. Its dimensions are 394mm x 300mm x 30mm, and it weighs 1.1 kilograms. This cooling pad is one of the best in the market and reasonably priced. Coming at number 7, TileMate Key Finder. If you're someone who frequently misplaces your phone or keys, the TileMate keyring device could be a game changer. Simply attach the keyring to your keys and use the TileMate app to locate them if they get lost. If they're within range, you can make the TileMate ring through the app to easily find them. We've tested the Tile Pro and found that it has a loud ring, which makes it easy to locate if it's nearby. Additionally, if you have your keys but can't find your phone, you can press the button on the TileMate keyring to make your phone ring, even when it's on silent mode. It's an innovative and convenient solution for keeping track of your important items. Number 6. iClever BK8 Folding Keyboard. The iClever Folding Keyboard is an exceptional wireless keyboard for mobile devices. With the ability to connect via Bluetooth to almost any device, it offers a superior typing experience compared to touchscreen typing. Its compact design makes it one of the smallest keyboards we've tested, and it becomes even more portable when folded for travel. The chiclet keys with tactile rubber dome switches provide a satisfying typing experience, and the keyboard is surprisingly durable for its size. Although it may not be the best option for a full day of work, the iClever folding keyboard is perfect for on-the-go typing on your phone or tablet. It's compact and convenient to pack in your pocket when not in use. Coming in at number 5, AdirChef Grab Go Coffee Maker. Are you someone who can't start their day without a cup of coffee? The AdirChef Personal Coffee Maker is the perfect solution for you. Not only is it practical, but it's also environmentally friendly with a permanent filter that saves you money and reduces waste. What's more, and it comes with a convenient travel mug, perfect for taking on the go to early morning lectures or for a quick pick-me-up at any time of the day. Coming at number 4, Anker Portable Charger. Do you remember when phone batteries used to last all day? With the constant need to stay connected and the fear of running out of battery, a portable charger is a must-have gadget for students. The Anker Power Core 10000 is a highly rated option that is lightweight and compact, but can hold enough power for 3 full phone charges. It is perfect for charging multiple devices or as a backup when other charging methods fail. Additionally, it can charge devices quickly and includes almost 3.5 iPhone 6 and 2.5 Galaxy S6 charges within its small frame. Number 3, Amazon Kindle. Carrying heavy textbooks around can be a pain, even for those who prefer physical books. If you're considering switching to an e-reader like the Kindle Paperwhite, make sure the books you need for your course are available in ebook format. Most popular textbooks will be available, but some lesser-known titles may not be. Another thing to consider is that ebooks can't be resold like physical books. The latest Kindle Paperwhite model has added features like Bluetooth and a front-lit screen with adjustable warm light. It also offers long battery life, lasting for weeks on a single charge, which is a common feature among e-readers. Coming at number 2, Anti-Theft Laptop Bag with USB Port. While it may be convenient to carry your laptop in a tote bag, it's essential to protect it from potential damage. This highly rated laptop bag is a great investment that offers various features to secure and charge your device. It comes with a USB charging port to keep your phone powered on the go, a passcode-protected main compartment for added security, and water-resistant material to protect your laptop from accidental spills. It also has anti-theft features and comes with a free USB cable, all for an affordable price of around £30. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade their laptop carrying solution. Number 1, Rocketbook Everlast Smart Reusable Notebook. For students, taking notes can be a personal preference of writing them by hand or typing them. The Rocketbook offers the best of both worlds. It allows you to write your notes by hand using the special pen provided and then scan them using the Rocketbook app. The pages are then optimized and digitized, making it easy to search for specific words just like typed text if your handwriting is legible. Once scanned, you can easily share your notes to popular platforms like Google Drive, Evernote, and Dropbox. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best tech products for students. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.